Hey YouTube, today we're gonna be doing a special unboxing. It's gonna be, of course, a unboxing video. So we got here a Bluetooth or a wireless speaker. It's called ONEDER. The box it's good. Yeah, I mean it looks really good. So let's get inside. Let's open it and see what we have inside. All right, let's do this. Wow. This is let's see what we have here. So I think this is where the cables, yeah, exactly. So we have two cables here. So yeah, we have this one and a cable charger. Let's get to the speaker. All right, so this is the speaker. This is the manual. Got specification, method of use, instructions. This is instruction menu. Anyway, I'll just put this aside. Let's get to the device or the speaker. So this is the speaker. Looks a little bit broken, but I don't know. We have 1 year of warranty, so let's turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
It's really loud, just to let you know. You have two speakers here, a USB, an audio jack, SD card, charging port, and a reset button. Also an LED indicator. So sorry if my voice, I'm a little sick. Just trying to connect it down right there. It's ONEDER. Not working. Can I call all these? Okay, so it said pairing successful. Let's try it. I'm gonna put it like this. Let's get to Spotify. Where is it? There it is. Alright, let's choose any beats, any type of beats. I'm gonna choose Lofi here and shuffle. That's so loud. I'll show you how loud it is. See, it's shaking.
volume, max volume.
That's a wrap of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and this is one of my recommendations. I recommend you to get if you are looking for a good speaker at a good price. This is actually the one for you. You can get it from Amazon or wherever you want to get it, called ONEDER V2 wireless speaker. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you want to see more of unboxing videos. Yeah, catch you in another video. Ciao.